Hi, this is Styles Hair. This is Shirley. I'm gonna do a latch weave with Kanekalon hair, number 27. I've created the cornrows that I'm gonna use. I have sister locks in my hair. They're about 2.5 years old, so I like to just do different styles and change up my look. So I've created the cornrows. I have 16 cornrows across the front, and I have about 6 going across in the back, going straight across in the back. And then I took the rest of my locks and I folded them across to create a bump up here because I want some height at the top. And then I pinned the ends of them down because I don't want to stitch, so I won't cut my hair when I take them out. And then I'm going to take some of the Kanekalon hair that I'm going to latch on and latch them all together so that they're nice and tight. And then I'm going to come back on to show you the almost finished look. I'll put a few in just to finish up the style, and then I'm going to flat iron it so I can wear the hair straight. This is the hair I'm going to be using. It's number 27. It's a jumbo braid, and you're going to need your latch hook, some scissors, and clips. I'm using plastic and also metal clips, and I also might be using some a little bit of adhesive for sealing in a knot. So you can make your own choice on what kind of adhesive you want to use. I'm using the crazy glue, just a little bit of it. I put the first 2 rows of hair on, so it's looking pretty good. And I'm going to come back when I'm just about done.